This video will show you how to create your own polling questions in WebAssign. You can use polling questions to gather opinions from your students, or to record information when any response could be considered correct. To begin, click Create and select Question from the drop-down. We'll begin by giving our question a name. We'll call this question Polling Question Sample. Now, we'll set this as a polling question with multiple choice options. Click Multi-Mode Options, then select Poll and Multiple Choice. This will present the poll options as multiple choice radio buttons. Click Save to close the window. The question field is where you type what you want to ask your class. Type your question, and then at the end of your question, type less than sign, underline, and greater than sign. This code serves as a placeholder for the multiple choice options. In the answer field, type the responses you want your students to choose from. Separate each option by pressing Enter. These options will also appear in the order that you type them. Once you've finished, click Test Preview to see what your question will look like. Select an option and click Submit for testing. Note that every option is marked as correct. This is the result of the poll mode. If you're satisfied with your poll question, close the preview window and click Save. If you need to locate this or any other questions you've created, you can find them in your My Questions folder. Click Questions and select My Questions from the drop-down. Additionally, when you want to add this or any other questions you create to an assignment, you can find them in the All My Questions folder in the question browser. Simply go to the home screen and you can find All My Questions at the bottom.